Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Recent leaks have ignited excitement among drone enthusiasts with the revelation of potential features for the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. While an official release is still months away, the reported advancements promise to redefine the capabilities of ultra-portable drones. Key leaked features. Advanced obstacle avoidance. The most significant upgrade appears to be the integration of LiDAR sensors. This technology, previously seen in larger DJI drones like the Air 3, allows for more precise 3D obstacle mapping. The Mini 5 Pro, equipped with LiDAR, is expected to excel in navigating complex environments, ensuring safer and more confident flights. This is particularly crucial in urban settings or when flying near trees and other obstructions. Enhanced motor cooling. Leaked images reveal redesigned motors with integrated vents. This innovative cooling solution aims to prevent overheating, improving motor longevity and overall flight performance. This is a critical improvement for frequent flyers who demand extended flight times and consistent performance. 1-inch sensor camera. A groundbreaking feature is the rumored inclusion of a 1-inch image sensor. This significant upgrade promises significantly improved image and video quality, particularly in low-light conditions. The ability to capture stunning visuals, even in challenging lighting scenarios, will undoubtedly elevate the Mini 5 Pro's creative potential. Extended flight time. Reports suggest a substantial increase in flight time, potentially reaching 40 minutes on a single charge. This would surpass the current Mini 4 Pro's flight time, offering users greater freedom and flexibility during their aerial adventures. Improved tracking capabilities. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature significantly enhanced subject tracking algorithms. This will allow the drone to effectively follow moving subjects, such as people, animals, or vehicles, making it an ideal companion for action sports and dynamic filming scenarios. Enhanced video quality. 5G's significantly faster data speeds enable higher resolution video streaming. Passengers can enjoy crystal clear 4K or even 8K video, free from buffering or pixelation, enhancing the entertainment experience. Low latency advantage. 5G boasts incredibly low latency, meaning minimal delay between sending and receiving data. This is crucial for real-time applications like interactive gaming. Players can enjoy lag-free gameplay, even in demanding titles. Remote control. 5G facilitates responsive control of drones or other devices, essential for aerial photography or remote inspections. Augmented/virtual reality. Low latency is vital for immersive AR/VR experiences, minimizing motion sickness and enhancing realism. Improved user experience. 5G's reliability and speed translate to a smoother, more responsive user experience overall. Passengers can browse the internet, stream music, and make video calls with minimal interruption, transforming the flight into a more connected and productive journey. Release timeline and implications. While the official release of the Mini 5 Pro is not expected until the summer of 2025, the leaked features suggest that DJI is taking a meticulous approach to development. This extended time frame allows for thorough testing and refinement, ensuring that the final product meets the high standards set by previous mini-series drones. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, with its integration of advanced technologies like LiDAR and a 1-inch sensor within a compact and portable frame, signifies a significant shift in the drone market. This combination of features has the potential to revolutionize how both amateur and professional aerial content creators capture and share their vision. LiDAR integration. Enhanced obstacle avoidance. LiDAR technology provides real-time 3D mapping of the environment, enabling the drone to perceive and avoid obstacles with greater precision and speed. This significantly improves flight safety and allows for more confident and creative flight maneuvers, particularly in complex or cluttered environments. Advanced flight modes. LiDAR data can be utilized to unlock innovative flight modes, such as autonomous obstacle course flights and precise tracking of subjects, elevating the creative potential of the drone and opening up new possibilities for aerial cinematography. 1-inch sensor. Superior image quality. The 1-inch sensor captures significantly more light than smaller sensors, resulting in improved image quality with higher dynamic range, lower noise, and better low-light performance. This translates to sharper images, richer colors, and smoother videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Professional-grade capabilities. The inclusion of a 1-inch sensor in such a compact drone bridges the gap between professional-grade and consumer-level aerial photography and videography. It empowers users to capture stunning cinematic footage and high-resolution images previously only achievable with larger, more expensive drones. Ultra-portability, accessibility and convenience. The Mini 5 Pro's compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry, allowing users to capture aerial footage from virtually anywhere. This increased accessibility encourages spontaneous creativity and enables users to seize fleeting moments without the burden of heavy equipment. Overall impact. The convergence of these advanced features in the DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to democratize professional-grade aerial content creation. By making high-end technologies more accessible to a wider audience, DJI is empowering both amateurs and professionals to push the boundaries of aerial cinematography and photography. The Mini 5 Pro has the potential to become the industry standard, setting a new benchmark for performance, portability, and creative expression in the drone market. The leaked specifications for the DJI Mini 5 Pro paint a picture of a revolutionary compact drone. From advanced obstacle avoidance to a significantly improved camera system, these potential features point towards a significant leap forward in the evolution of ultra-portable aerial photography and videography.